Imagine a world where machines anticipate your needs, automate your tasks, and even make decisions on your behalf. This is not science fiction, but the rapidly approaching reality of AI agents. By 2025, the AI agent market is projected to reach a staggering $16 billion, a testament to their growing influence on our lives. This exponential growth signals a profound shift in our relationship with technology. AI agents are no longer passive tools, but active collaborators, reshaping industries, redefining work, and challenging our very understanding of intelligence. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it is imperative that we approach AI agents with both enthusiasm and caution, embracing their potential while mitigating their risks. The future of our technological civilization may very well depend on it. AI agents are intelligent systems designed to perform tasks autonomously, learning from data and adapting to changing environments. Unlike traditional AI, which excels at specific tasks, AI agents exhibit a higher level of autonomy and decision-making capability. Think of them as digital butlers, capable of managing your schedule, booking appointments, and even providing personalized recommendations. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars navigating complex traffic, AI agents are already permeating our daily lives. Their ability to learn and adapt makes them incredibly versatile, capable of revolutionizing industries ranging from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. However, this same power also raises concerns about their potential impact on jobs, privacy, and even the very fabric of society. As we delve deeper into the world of AI agents, it is crucial to understand both their transformative potential and the challenges they pose. The potential benefits of AI agents are vast and far-reaching. In healthcare, AI agents can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than human doctors, leading to earlier diagnoses and more effective treatments. In finance, they can detect fraudulent transactions and optimize investment strategies, making our financial systems more secure and efficient. Beyond specific industries, AI agents have the potential to improve our quality of life in countless ways. Imagine a world where traffic accidents are virtually eliminated by self-driving cars, where personalized education caters to each student's unique needs, and where tedious tasks are automated, freeing up our time for more meaningful pursuits. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. However, realizing this utopian vision requires careful consideration of the potential risks and ethical dilemmas associated with AI agents. As AI agents become more sophisticated, they also raise concerns about unintended consequences and potential misuse. One of the most pressing issues is the risk of job displacement. As AI agents automate tasks currently performed by humans, millions of jobs across various sectors could be at risk. Another concern is the potential for bias and discrimination. AI agents are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the agents themselves may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. Moreover, the increasing autonomy of AI agents raises questions about accountability and control. If an AI agent makes a mistake, who is responsible? How do we ensure that AI agents operate ethically and in accordance with human values? Addressing these challenges is crucial to harnessing the power of AI agents for good while mitigating their potential risks. Section 5. The job market in flux, automation and the future of employment. The fear of machines replacing human workers is not new. Throughout history, technological advancements have often led to shifts in the job market, rendering some jobs obsolete while creating new ones. The rise of AI agents is likely to follow a similar pattern. While certain jobs, particularly those involving repetitive or rule-based tasks, may be automated, new opportunities will emerge in fields such as AI development, maintenance, and oversight. The key lies in adapting to these changes through education, retraining, and a focus on skills that complement AI capabilities. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in preparing the workforce for the age of AI. By fostering a culture of lifelong learning and investing in programs that equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy, we can navigate this transition successfully. Section 6. Guardians of privacy in the age of AI, safeguarding our data and ourselves. AI agents rely on vast amounts of data to learn and make decisions. This raises concerns about privacy and data security. From our online browsing habits to our personal conversations, AI agents have the potential to collect and analyze an unprecedented amount of information about our lives. Protecting our privacy in the age of AI requires robust data protection regulations, transparent data collection practices, and a focus on data security. We need to ensure that AI agents are developed and deployed in a way that respects our fundamental rights and freedoms. This includes giving individuals control over their own data, establishing clear guidelines for data usage, and implementing safeguards against unauthorized access and misuse. Section 7. AI agents in action, from virtual assistants to self-driving cars. AI agents are already transforming various aspects of our lives. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become ubiquitous, allowing us to control our devices, access information, and manage our schedules with voice commands. In the realm of transportation, self-driving cars are rapidly advancing, promising to revolutionize the way we commute, travel, and transport goods. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are at the forefront of this revolution, developing autonomous vehicles capable of navigating complex environments with increasing reliability. Beyond these examples, AI agents are being used in fields as diverse as healthcare, finance, customer service, and education. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI agents in the years to come. Section 8. The AlphaGo moment, a paradigm shift in AI capabilities. In 2016, the world witnessed a pivotal moment in the history of AI. AlphaGo, an AI agent developed by Google DeepMind, defeated Lee Sedol, one of the world's top Go players, in a 5-game match. This victory sent shockwaves through the AI community and beyond, showcasing the remarkable progress that had been made in AI capabilities. Go, an ancient Chinese board game, had long been considered a grand challenge for AI due to its complexity and the intuition required to master it. AlphaGo's victory demonstrated that AI agents could now outperform humans in tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. This breakthrough highlighted both the immense potential and the potential risks of AI agents. While AlphaGo's victory was a testament to human ingenuity, it also served as a stark reminder of the rapid pace of AI development and the need for careful consideration of its ethical and societal implications. Section 9. Shaping the future of AI, a call for understanding, ethics, and regulation. The rise of AI agents presents humanity with both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is essential that we proceed with both enthusiasm and caution, embracing the potential of AI while mitigating its risks. This requires a multifaceted approach that involves fostering a deeper understanding of AI among the general public, establishing ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, and implementing regulations that ensure AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of all. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. By engaging in thoughtful dialogue, promoting responsible innovation, and prioritizing human values, we can harness the power of AI agents to create a better future for all. What are your thoughts on the rise of AI agents? How do you think we can best navigate the opportunities and challenges they present? Share your perspectives and join the conversation about the future of AI.